Hi everyone and welcome to class. Today I'm so excited to teach you guys about qualitative and quantitative observations. These are different observations we use in science and analyzing scientific results in our experiments. So let's get started. So the do now activity on the board is actually I want you guys to get in groups, and with your partners I want you to discuss these questions. What do you think of when you hear quality and quantity? And what do you think quantitative and qualitative observations are? So now I'm going to ask you guys to, one of you two guys, to present with the group what you actually discussed. Emilia, can you answer 1 and 2 for us, please?
Okay, so I think quality is more of like a descriptor, whereas quantity is an amount. So like a quantitative observation would be like there's 3 of the thing, and qualitative would be like the thing is red.
Okay, great. And so, yeah, so that's actually exactly what I'm going to teach you guys today. So we're going to move on to the definition of quantitative and qualitative. Lena, can you please read the left part of the board?
Yes. Quantitative can be counted and measured. Quantitative data is given in numbers. Example, the ruler is 12 inches long.
Thank you, Lena. Obviously, this example is quantitative because it gives us a counted and measured number for exactly how long the ruler is. Now, James, can you read qualitative for us?
Qualitative, based on descriptions involving the 5 senses: see, feel, taste, hear, smell. Qualitative data is expressed through adjectives. Example, the ruler is blue and it feels smooth.
Thank you, James. So on the other hand, this is a qualitative example because it uses descriptors and adjectives and the senses to tell us how the ruler looks and how it feels. So yeah, is everyone good? Everyone have any questions? Okay, thank you. So now we're gonna move on to this. This is something that that's gonna help you understand more. When I was younger, this definitely helped me. So quantitative looks like the word quantity. We already went over that quantity is number and amount. So if we're given a number, an amount, a measurement, we know it's quantitative. Qualitative has something more to do with the word quality. It looks like it. And quality is something that we use when we want to express how something looks or feels to us. If it feels good, if it looks good, if it's bad, we say it has good or bad quality. So that's qualitative. Everyone understand? Okay, great. So now I have this review exercise that's going to help me understand if you understand this topic. So I'm going to have you guys grab something from your room and make a quantitative or qualitative observation. Who wants to go first? Emilia.
Okay, so a quantitative observation would be that I have 1 crochet hook, and a qualitative observation would be that part of it is blue.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, James, do you want to go next?
So I have my phone here. Would a qualitative observation be that it's 2 inches wide?
Actually, that would be a quantitative observation because you're giving a number for how wide the phone is. So that would be quantity, that would be number. But if you said that the phone was black, that would be qualitative. So just have to remember not to mix up those words. But you're on the right track. Lena, what about you?
I have a computer case, and a qualitative observation would be that it's blue, and a quantitative observation would be that it has 2 zippers.
Okay, great. So that makes me feel good and confident in your guys' ability, and I'm really happy about that. So now we're going to move on to our exit ticket, which is our study chant, and it's going to help us study for this. So I'm going to count us off, and we're all going to read this together, okay? 1, 2, 3. In science, we make a lot of observations to analyze results of experimentations. There are 2 main types that we like
to see.
quantitative,
Qualitative,
qualitative. What do they mean?
What do they mean?
Quantitative,
Quantitative, what does that mean?
All you need to know is the
All
word
you need to know
is the
quantitative.
word
Any number,
quantitative.
any measure, any
Any number,
value,
any
anything
value,
is counted
any
if we use it. We
And
have
you
to.
just hear it, use it. We have to.
Qualitative,
Qualitative,
What does that mean?
Sense the word
Sense the
quality.
word
Hear,
quality.
touch, taste,
Hear,
see,
touch, taste,
smell.
see, smell.
These are the things we need to tell.
we need to tell.
Last one, guys. There are
There are
2
two
main
Main
types
types
of
of
observations
observations
to analyze results of
experimentation.
experimentation. Quantitative, qualitative. What do they
Qualitative,
mean?
what do they mean?
Wait, we know what they
We know
mean.
what they mean.
Okay. Everyone have a great day. This class was a success. I can't wait to see you guys later and talk more about qualitative and quantitative observation.